What up, baby? We got a mini adventure going on. Kind of want to like help teach them how to scrape. What the f is going on with your brake?
BMW lever.
It's a BMW lever? I'm so flabbergasted. I love scraping. You just gotta go back for it! Bro, what's going on here? This is like, what? I forget about that. Look at them go. They're so small. Wait, does he have a handbrake? Oh, he does. I was like, wait a minute, what? This isn't making sense. He's gotta give that thing all the juice to get it up. Oh shit, he's looking at me. He saw me. Bro got the electrical tape on the end. He's got a BMW lever. Like, what is going on? Why you got a little guy? Fair enough. It's above average. Guys, it says down to the police. Whoop, whoop. Why? What the fuck is he doing? Yeah. That looks great.
Yeah, right?
Is that wire ties?
You know, it's like one bolt and like 2 zip ties.
Yeah, whatever. I mean, whatever works.
I mean, it works, but like. It's
oh, you do have a shorty. Oh, okay. Well,
I don't even want to talk about it. It's fucked up, dude. That's right there. Yeah.
What, is that the one where you went sideways?
Nah, this is the most recent one. Yeah.
Oh, there's another that I don't know about. Got it.
Literally, I pulled in the clutch and I was just like,
My shin's on fire. What are they building right there? Hey.
whoa, this thing is a fucking piece of shit. Let me tell you, you look sick.
392. Do donuts. Oh, there's a cop right there. Let's see it. In front of the cop. I love it. Oh, that's so awesome. Okay.
He needs to change his battery.
His GoPro?
Yeah.
Just eat somewhere. Anywhere. What, right or left? Bro, he's doing it right now.
He's not gonna make it.
He's going for the whole thing. The Grom? Yeah. This is gonna be so tough.
It's kind of weird. I just like get to like just throw it up. No, you're good. You can scrape. It's kind of like the same thing.
I don't know. I don't. What the fuck?
Oh, by the way, there's no peg.
What the fuck? How are you doing wheelies?
Put it through this part right there. The Volkswagen Grom.
This?
Yeah.
You're riding around like this. Oh my god.
Real different. How are you riding this? Dude, that was good though, bro.
Dude, this is like just not even comfortable. There's a lot going on here.
That was first?
Yeah, just yeeted it up, yeah. It came up and then it kind of felt light and then we started going to the left.
How stress for you next to that car.
I put it down and I was like, all right, I can swerve it. And then I swerved it and I was like, oh wait, my shoulder. And I was like, oh. There you go.
This dude's gonna pass me, dude. I'm washed up. Keep crashing, man. I gotta stop.
Yeah, that's a part of the game. Yeah, and he's doing all that without a peg. Like.
And look at this tire.
That's fine. It looks like mine. Yes. Psych! Not doing that. Let's go! He's getting it. Yeah! He has a foot brake, so he can actually go up with his leg. I gotta try that. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, why does it look like cocaine? What's in the bags? Was that? Yeah, that was second. I'll do third. I got it! How would I fucking be wheeling and get... I'm not that flexible yet. Like, I'm too lengthy. Smurf's got it! Yeah! Want to get on the highway with groms? Wait a minute. Hey bro, what are you doing, bro? Damn. Bro, they like cut a piece of their car out.
It keeps turning my key off. It like hits this and goes tick.
You sure it's not your foot?
Well, that was doing it, but like if I come down hard, it just shuts my bike off.
Oh, nice. Little double scrape in front of the cop. There's a lot of other places you cannot do that. Ooh, I like getting a little swifty with my hips, you know what I mean? You gotta throw your hips in it. Ooh, that dip game. I had a fucking bump, mate. Yeah, I'm not. I wasn't doing all that. I wasn't doing all that. Baby. Oh, I was gonna do it. I was gonna do it. Just go down the subway. Just. Oh, that's cool. Like, that's a bright ass light. We pulling up right here? I don't have no kickstand. Chinatown's so cool. He's just on the sidewalk. That smoothie! He was so good! The world is our playground. I've never even seen that.